with Rizza, and it's just us today because Arwen didn't wake up. Audrey's studying and AJ's working again, but that's okay because we're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna go see some waterfalls, and I know I look good. I got a little haircut yesterday. I didn't vlog it or anything, but we're just gonna roll with it. So let's see where we go. We don't know if we're on the right road because this is literally like, oh my god, it looks like a trail. Like we're driving on a trail, a sidewalk. Oh my god. There's houses. Like I'm scared. Are we in the right place? It's telling us to go here, so like, but there's also signs that say private property, so we don't fucking know. I swear. We'll keep you guys updated. If we don't get arrested. Oh hell nah. So pretty! Just a little small, but it's okay. Better than nothing.